for joining me in my SAP S/4HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will be reviewing correspondence. We will define correspondence types, assign programs for correspondence types, and determine call-up functions. So let's kick off with OB77, define correspondence type. Go to your command field, type OB77. Caution, this table is cross-client, and alternatively, we can go to this T code through SPRO or SIMG. Let me just demonstrate it. Slash N SIMG from SAP Customizing Implementation Guide. We will go to Financial Accounting node. And from Financial Accounting node, we will go to Financial Accounting Global Settings. Financial and from Financial Accounting Global Settings, we will go to Correspondence. And from Correspondence node, we will go to Define Correspondence Types. Define Correspondence Type. Okay, execute this, and we will have the same warning. Click check, and go to Position. SAP, oh, it's already here. SAP 10, this is the standard individual correspondence. So if you want a separate individual correspondence, since this is a cross-client and this is also a uh, standard, we can highlight this and copy, click copy. And from the correspondence, let's change it to our own correspondence. Let's put in CABC for correspondence 1, and let's include TUK 2 in the correspondence type. In the general data, accounting required, yes, we will leave it as with checkbox, with a check in the checkbox. For document necessary, we will leave it with unchecked checkbox. And for individual checks, we will leave it with the checkbox and also the cross company code. And we don't need to put on the other details. Let's hit enter. Okay. So ZABC1 TUK2, number of copies of entries, 1 included. And now we can save it. Let's create a new workbench request. So let's put in define correspondence type TUK2. Click check to save, and the data was saved. So that's it. Let's go to our next task, which is to assign programs for correspondence type. Let's go back, and we have here assign programs for correspondence type. We can execute this. Alternatively, it has a T code OB78, so you can use that OB78 down below. Here we will try to find if there is a correspondence for our company code. TUK2, and no, so there's no TUK2. So let's use the standard SAP 10 and highlight this one, individual correspondence, and then copy, and then assign TUK2. And that's right. And we have already created our own correspondence. Let's assign ZABC1. Okay, hit enter, and the number of entries was copied. Click save. And let's create a new customizing request. And let's put in assign program, assign programs for correspondence. Okay. For correspondence type, TUK2. Okay, click save button, click continue, and the data was saved. So next is determine call up functions. So let's go back. Determine call up functions. We will use this. If you want a T code, but it's a little bit long, right mouse click. Let me pull that up, scroll that up. Right mouse click and display technical info. And you can use this one as a SALR. You can copy this to your Excel. And there's no customized T code for this one. So let's go back and execute this. And let's also copy the correspondence, the standard correspondence tense for individual correspondence. Highlight this and then click copy. And for the company code, we will put our company code, TUK2. And for the correspondence, we will put in our customized correspondence, which is the ABC1. Okay. And we will retain all the details, doc entry, payment for payments, and doc DSP for display and account display. Number of copies, number of entries copied is 1. That's great. Click save, and we will have our new customizing request. Click new, and then let's put in our description, determine call functions. Okay, let's put in our company code, TUK2, hit enter, and click continue or hit enter, and the data was saved. So that's it. Thank you.